Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the updated steps to add a moved life event to your Facebook post. Whether you've recently relocated or just want to share this milestone, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually create posts. Now, scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Life Events. Tap on it. This feature is designed to highlight significant moments in your life, like moving to a new place. Next, select the category called Home and Living. This is where all home-related events are organized. From here, tap on the option labeled Moved. This will allow you to create a post specifically about your recent move. Once you've selected Moved, it's time to fill in the details. Add information such as where you moved to, the date of your move, and any other notes or memories you'd like to share. You can also include photos if you want to make your post more personal and engaging. When you're done entering all the details, tap Next. This will take you to a preview of your post so you can double-check everything before sharing it with your friends and followers. Finally, tap Post to publish your life event. Your friends will now see this special update on their feed, making it easy for them to celebrate this milestone with you. And that's it. You've successfully added a moved life event to your Facebook post. It's a great way to keep everyone updated about this exciting chapter in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.